At CES 2025, the stage was set for a battle of mobile giants. AMD, Intel, and Nvidia all unveiled their most powerful chips yet, and HP wasted no time in showing off what it calls its most powerful gaming laptop to date, the Omen Max 16. While the Omen Max 16 may not look drastically different from the previous Omen 16, HP has gone all out with RGB, making it a standout on any desk. A color-changing light bar along the front and a per-key illuminated keyboard bring some serious style to this beast. But it's not just about looks. Internally, the Omen Max 16 is built for performance. With a vapor chamber cooling system and liquid metal thermal compound, it keeps even the most demanding processors cool under pressure. With your choice of either an AMD Ryzen AI HX 375 or an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, paired with an Nvidia RTX 5080 GPU, this laptop is designed to push out impressive frame rates, even for the most demanding games. And here's where it gets really interesting. The Omen Max 16 is equipped with a unique cooling system. Its internal fans can spin backwards to blow out dust, keeping the system running at its peak performance without the need for manual cleaning. This innovative feature could be a game changer, especially for those who never open up their laptop for maintenance. HP isn't just stopping with hardware. The Omen AI app adapts system settings based on your specific hardware setup. While it's currently optimized for Counter-Strike 2, future updates will likely make this feature even more essential as games continue to evolve. Display options are top tier as well. Starting with a 165Hz Full HD IPS panel, you can upgrade to a stunning 2560x1600 OLED display with 240Hz refresh and Nvidia G-Sync for ultra-smooth gaming. Connectivity is a breeze with 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 2 40GB PCIe USB-Cs, and more. And if you're tired of dongles, the built-in wireless receiver allows you to connect HyperX wireless peripherals with ease. With up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM, 2TB of NVMe storage, and an 83Wh battery, the Omen Max 16 packs serious punch. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating, this laptop is ready for anything. Pricing starts at $1,700, but expect to pay more for the top-tier configurations. For gamers who want cutting-edge performance, the Omen Max 16 is a true powerhouse, designed to evolve with your needs as games continue to push the limits. The HP Omen Max 16 isn't just a gaming laptop. It's an evolution in mobile performance. Are you ready to take your gaming to the next level?
Hold me close till I get up. Time